For years, fruit has been unfairly blamed for everything from tooth decay to weight gain. You've probably heard it: fruit has too much sugar. Fructose feeds cancer. Modern fruit is unnatural. But what if everything you've been told about fruit is wrong? In this article, we'll debunk the 6 biggest lies about fruit using common sense, science, and a natural hygiene perspective. Let's get into it. Yes, lie number 1, fruit has too much sugar. Fruit contains sugar, but it comes in its whole food form, bound with water, fiber, and antioxidants. This natural combination slows digestion and absorption, helping to maintain stable energy without spiking blood sugar. Compare that to soda. Stripped of fiber, dehydrating, and rapidly absorbed, causing a metabolic crash. Clinical research backs this up. A 2014 study published in the British medical journal BMJ, based on over 830,000 participants, found that each daily serving of fruit significantly reduced the risk of chronic disease and early death. Lie number 2, fructose is toxic. Fructose is just one of the natural sugars found in fruit, alongside glucose and sucrose. In isolation, like in high fructose corn syrup, it can cause metabolic issues. But in whole fruit, fructose is delivered with fiber and nutrients that support balanced absorption and energy use. The real problem isn't fruit, it's high-fat diets. Excess fat in the bloodstream interferes with sugar metabolism, leading to insulin resistance and elevated triglycerides. It's also true that unused fructose can be converted by the liver into fat, especially if you're sedentary. So if you eat a high-fruit diet, be sure to stay active and use that clean energy. If you're gaining weight or seeing elevated triglycerides, switch to less sweet fruits like cucumbers, tomatoes, and berries until your system balances. Lie number 3, fruit is hybridized and unnatural. Yes, most fruits today have been hybridized, but that simply means they've been selectively bred for taste or size. It's not genetic modification, and it's not new. Humans have been doing this with crops for thousands of years. A sweet mango or modern banana is still infinitely closer to nature than any ultra-processed snack or sugary dessert. Let's not confuse improved by nature with manufactured by machines. Lie number 4, fruit is bad for your teeth. Fruit doesn't rot your teeth. Cooked, processed, and ultra-processed foods are far worse. Refined starches, oils, and sticky cooked meals create an acidic environment that feeds harmful bacteria far more than fresh fruit does. The real issue is poor oral hygiene, frequent snacking, and improper food combining, like eating fruit after cooked meals, which promotes fermentation in the mouth. Eat fruit as a meal, rinse with water afterward, and you'll find it can actually cleanse and hydrate the mouth. Lie number 5, fruit is unhealthy. Fruit is not unhealthy. It's arguably the most healing food on earth. It's hydrating, alkaline forming, rich in living enzymes, and deeply cleansing. The longest-lived cultures on the planet eat plenty of fruit. Biologically, we're frugivores, designed to thrive on fruit. It's not fruit that causes illness. It's the processed, fatty, mucus-forming foods we've come to accept as normal. Lie number 6, fruit causes cancer and aging. This one is rooted in fear, not fact. Fruit is packed with cancer-fighting compounds like vitamin C, polyphenols, flavonoids, and enzymes that support cellular repair and reduce inflammation. A major 2014 BMJ meta-analysis confirmed that greater fruit and vegetable intake significantly lowers the risk of cancer and all-cause mortality. Additional data from the UK Biobank supports this. Plant-rich diets, especially those high in fruit, are linked to lower risks of colorectal and prostate cancer. Cancer thrives in acidic, low-oxygen environments. Fruit, being water-rich and alkaline-forming, helps restore balance. Fruit doesn't fuel disease, it fuels healing. So now you know the truth. Fruit is not the villain. It's your most powerful ally for energy, clarity, and long-term health. If you enjoyed this video, grab my free ebook, Raw Dinner Recipes. The link's in the description. Inside, you'll get oil-free, low-fat, raw, vegan recipes you can make in under 10 minutes to boost your energy naturally. Download it now and start feeling the difference today. And let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next.